Hi everyone, my name is Rachel. I am from Wildwood, New Jersey, so I live at the shore. But as of Friday, the 16th, I am moving, so this should be interesting. Currently, I work for acute counseling, um, and my title there is HMI, which stands for Homeless Mentally Ill. I am the Homeless Mentally Ill Case Manager for my company, along with the only one in my county. So I help the homeless mentally ill find stable and affordable housing in the community, along with linking them to different resources in the community and everything that I can pretty much so they can live an adequate life in the community. I'm very excited for this course because trauma does really fascinate me. A lot of my clients that I have on my caseload and a lot of clients that I come in contact with have experienced trauma in their life one way or another, and it does affect them. And I think trauma is a huge part of my field, and I look forward to learning everything that I can. Um, and I know that it will be relevant to my career in the future because trauma is always something that fascinated me and I wanted to learn more about. And it's definitely something that will definitely come in handy, I would say, when being a social worker, and also with having that experience under your belt will definitely help with different individuals because you never know who will walk into the room. So I look forward to meeting everybody and working with you all along with the professor. And good luck, everybody. Bye.